Hello everyone, wherever you're watching from. You're welcome to today's World's Live, right? We are live on Voice of the Chat session, friends, and today is gonna be exciting. I have awesome information to share with you on the chat. As usual, please share with your friends, family, neighbor, whatever. All right, my name is Clinton Onos with Market Salam. As always, Market Salam is here to help you make sense of your trading and investing. If this is the first time you're seeing this channel, you're welcome. Please use the subscribe button down below, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to get all important information. Without wasting much of our time, let's head over to the chart to see what we have today. All right, friends. All right, interesting. Before we proceed, I would like us to review what we did previously, right? We looked at Bitcoin, of course, right? And at the moment, our observation or prediction for Bitcoin, so to say, is still very much intact, right? Very much intact. Of course, friends, we did with on the last voice of the chart, we took out OMG. OMG went as high as $20. Of course, still on course. I told you guys that if it breaks this, it's gonna go as much as $34 region, right? So we're still very much in course, right? This is where I told you guys that if it breaks here, come on, if it breaks here, right? No, that's not it, friends. I told you guys that if it breaks and retest here, it's gonna go up, or it's gonna either come here, test this level before it goes up. Fortunately, it went up almost immediately after reaching. Let me zoom so you guys can see, right? After touching this region, it went up so fast. As you can see, there was a push down here to this region. It picked up, it broke, right? This is the candle you used to break, right? Broke, of course, it retested, and of course, yes, the zoom up. And of course, a lot of selling took place here that brought the price down, and the prediction is still very much in play, guys. Still very much in play. Of course, Shiba Inu, I told you guys, Shiba Inu is on the sell side. That's what I told you guys. It's on the sell side. Of course, the small players try to push the price up, right? They did their best. They put the price up from this place. So yeah, as you can see, it's hovering around this region. Of course, there can be a break, retest, and of course, you see a pump up. I don't see that happening, my friends. I'm sorry about that. What I see happening this moment is the price coming down to this region, do something like this, probably go down for a re-entry around this level or this level. But as time goes on, we'll monitor the chart, right, to see what we can make of it. But if this place breaks, right, because it's gonna pump really fast. If this breaks, come on, if this breaks, friend, it's gonna pump really fast. All right, that's it for Shiba Inu. Of course, I told you guys that the price is already my target level, that there's no point buying at this moment. Of course, you can see the price is still going down at this moment, friends. So what we'll likely look at here, if a break, right, a break of this downtrend, and of course we look for a good retest, and boom, we enter. Of course, that should be happen around around 1.5 region also, right? And that will be around okay, yeah, that should happen around that region. Let's be hopeful. Let's be hopeful as things unfold. I'll be here to track it, friends. And of course, I told you guys that Mana, right? Mana gave us a flat here. You can see the flat is still here. I drew right this, and if it breaks, it's going to pump up. Of course, it broke, right? It went up, went down again. You can see slightly that the power using going up is not the power using going down at the moment. So there's no momentum to the downside. Still look out for this, friends. This is very possible anytime. So of course, Loopring, right? Let me zoom so you can see, right? I told you Loopring can give us a W, right? For those who were here, I told you Loopring. Can I see this better? Right, okay, I told you Loopring might come to this this region. If it did not come to this region, it might just give us a W here and push up. Luckily, it gave us the W, right? You can see, and it's going up, of course, to the $4 region. It was still very much in play there, right? And of course, friends, I told you MakerDAO, right? MakerDAO, he said that the institutional investors are currently on Maker, right? And I did told you also that if you do a W here, of course, I think this is where I said if you do a W, you can clearly see here that if you do a W, it's going to push up. Of course, it did a W. It went out to give us a double. Is it a double button? I would say. Of course, it's more or less like a triple button. We have one button, and another, and of course, it gives a. It went up as much as 3,540. A lot of profit took place here. Of course, it's still very much on course to the predicted 6,000 thereabout region. So let's be hopeful and watch. Of course, Rune, right? Rune, I hope the audio is clear enough, guys. Please let me know in the comment section below if the audio is good. If you can hear me well, right? Please let me know. Let me know. I will appreciate your feedback on better ways to improve this live streaming. Because Rune, right? Rune is not doing badly. Okay, Rune is not doing badly. I think, did I make the projection for Rune? I think I did not. I was looking for the price to come. Okay, I didn't. I was looking for the price to come to this region. Of course, the price came slightly, went up, and of course, it's going down. It might. What can I say here? Okay. There might be a break rate test, and no, that's not gonna. That's too. It too. I think what might likely happen is a break, a rate test, right? And of course, push up, right? And of course, if that did not happen, this might likely happen, a breakdown. I don't see it going down, please, guys. I don't see it going down at the moment. So that's it, friends. So you guys are supposed to tell me the chart to look at today, right? Of course, I expect us to have a nice conversation soon enough that will help us going forward. All right, there's still very much low viewers at the moment, right? So please share with your friends, family, neighbor, whatever. It's still gonna help us a lot moving forward. Okay, I have a question. Is it right to invest in LRC? All right, Regna, is it right to invest in LRC? Okay, let me pull up the chart for you, Regna. Let me pull up the chart. Arrow. I think we have to. Okay, what do I do? All right, let me pull up the chart. Please hold on right now. Arrow, what you said? Arrow, I think that should be, is it liver? I think that should be Liverpool, right? Oh yeah, Livepeer. I should be Livepeer. All right. If you're still watching me right now, Regna, if you're still watching me, I'm here. The chart you said I should look at. Right. Okay. Let me be plain with you. At the moment, I would not advise anyone to go buying this, right? Of course you can, but I really don't think it's necessary, right? This price went up today about 120 or thereabout, right? If I'm not mistaken, okay, 109, right? Already. Tell me, what are you going to get here at the moment if you decide to jump in, right? This is fast moving already, friend. So I will encourage you, if you are really interested in this, please wait for the price to consolidate around the level and wait for the pullback. At the moment, I'm not seeing the price. There is really nothing to judge with, right? Okay, if I am to hold on, let me try. If I am to look at if I am to make a projection of the move that already occurred, right? Of course, I'll take this move retracement and I'll make a forecast. Please stay with me, friends. If I take this move retracement, of course, retrace around yeah, right, around 61% thereabout. Of course, my target is already over, my friends. This has gone too fast, my friend. I would not advise you to go trading Livepeer at this moment. Please wait for a reasonable retracement, right? Moving forward. Thanks for your question. We really appreciate. I hope it helps. If you don't, please, of course, you can let us know in the comment section. Of course, guys, let us know in the comment section the chart you want us to look at, right? Of course, in the absence of that, we cannot stay idle, so I will have to pull up some chart for us to look at here. Litecoin, let's look at Litecoin, right? Let me make a list. Litecoin. Okay, let's start by the Livepeer, come up. Livepeer, start Litecoin, are you there? Litecoin perpetual contract. Okay, take a look at Litecoin, because what can we take here, friends? Please let us know in the comment section if you want us to look at any chart. KDA, let's take a look at KDA. KDA has been impressive, right? Let's take a look at KDA, friends. KDA, friends, please comment section below. Let's know the chart you want us to look at. KDA, let's take a look at AR. Let's take a look at AR, friends. Of course, is there anything else we need to look at? Enjin Coin ENJ. Take a look at ENJ. Of course, can we take a look at Luna? Polkadot. Of course, the last time I told you Polkadot is good, right? Because Polkadot is still very much good. Let's look at Fantom, right? I think that we can end this up with Fantom. What Fantom? Fantom is what Fantom ticker? FTM. All right, friends, comment section, let's know your thoughts. Let's know if you have any chart you want us to look at. We'll appreciate moving forward. All right, so a user asked if we can if it's right to invest in LRC in the comment section. Of course, I just said it's not right at this moment because the price has gone too far. It can wait for a retracement and of course jump in. Of course, I see the retracement already happening around 2.61%. Let's wait for a break of this upward move, more or less like a break of trend line. Give you a double top, like stuff like that, double top, triple top. You can look for a head and shoulder pattern, right? After a head and shoulder pattern comes up, come down, so to say, to a significant level, then you consider buying. Okay, all right, that's just by the way. Okay, Litecoin is on course, friends. If you want to trade, not a financial advice, just so you know, everything here is for educational purpose only. Please do your own research always. So let's take a look at Litecoin, friends. I don't think a reversal of trend line is going to be valid at this moment, right? Don't think that should be. We can use that to target. Okay. What happened? What's going to happen here? This looks like a complete circle, right? And of course, the downward movement did break, right? That's what happened there. Of course, we gave us a nice triple bottom here, like, right? At 1, 2, 3, right? Went up, triple 1, 2, 3, triple bottom, right? Of course, a break, like I said earlier, break, went up. So this is just too fresh, so to say. The move is early. So on Litecoin, it's not a financial advice. On Litecoin, you can join in for a target, a long-term target, about 3 months or thereabout. 3 months to 4 months target should be around $1,000, right? Okay. So you can do this. You can do this. This is supposed to be a perfect place, right, for entry, and of course another perfect place for entry. But you can, if really not a big deal. You can, if you can withstand the shock, if there is any, right? And if I am to, there might be a shock somewhere around this level. Come on, why did you do that? It might be a shock somewhere. Let me take off this Fibonacci. There might be a shock somewhere around this level, right? Somewhere around this level, and that coincide with when there was huge amount of sell-off. So there are a lot of persons that must have placed take profit around this region. So if the price get to this region, right, it might react, come down to around 236 for a more what I'm saying here is the price might get to here, consolidate, give us a head and shoulder, or to a double top, right, or right, a triple top, push down, give us a nice W here, or inverse head and shoulder, push up like this to 400. Of course, we can expect some drama around 400 level before we go for another push. So Litecoin is not bad in my opinion, because the next voice of the chart session will review this. That should happen on Friday, right? It's on Friday, Thursday, right? Thursday we should review this to know how far the price has gone. Of course, it can continue without dropping further, but there's likelihood it might drop for others to join the trend before shooting upward. So that is it, friends. Please comment section below, let's know what's up with you. Let's know your thought. Let's do this together, friends. Without you I won't be here. I'm here because I expect you to be here with me. So let me know what's up. I'm a big code today, right? Should I say I'm tired? Not really, I'm just kind of cold. Oh, I can be fired up, you know what I mean? Fire me up, friends. Fire me up with question. We're live. Comment below, let's know your thought. Comment below, let's know your thought. Fire me up with question. I'm here to answer, my friends. Oops. Kadena KDA is pretty new. Somewhere around May, came somewhere around May, right? Of course, let's not be too optimistic to expect the highest price at discovery. Can hit anytime soon. Of course, it's possible, right? But I think a lot of sell-off took place here, right? If I am to change to a bar chart, right, you can clearly see that a lot of smart money took advantage of the move, sold up really quickly, right? This is what they did. Push it up. If you drop down to a lower time frame, you see better what I mean. Let me circle this region. This is not a tutorial, friends, but let me just make you have confidence in what we are talking about, right? Let me push down to show you. Of course, you can see, right, the lower time frame, there was a markup, right? Really quickly, boom, and a lot of profit took place here, right? They push the price up, they push it up, they push the price down, sell off, right? They push the price up again to sell more, right? They sold some here, of course they want to offload more. They did here, friends, and of course the price is just struggling. You can see the significant volume, right? If this whole significant volume is for a buy, friends, why is the price coming down? That's the question you need to ask yourself, right? It's a very critical question. Always ask yourself. Of course, there's a significant volume here. With this kind of significant volume, oh boy, we should see the price skyrocketing. Of course, despite all this significant volume, the price is dancing around the bush. Why is it dancing around the bush? A lot of profit taking is going on here, my friends. So I really don't do stuff like this. I don't trade like this. I don't invest like this. All right. I never knew about KDA. Truthfully, friends, I never heard about the project. I only did when the price spiked, right? Of course, a voice of the different sessions, sometimes they get confused, especially when you have a lot of work to do, right? On was in the new session, I did talked about Kadena, right? That was the first time really I heard about the project. So friends, what we expect smart investors to do here is to watch this very closely, wait for a retracement, and push. You can clearly see that the target, maybe you're still in doubt, right? You're still in doubt. Take a look at this, friends. You see there was a slight retracement around is it 50% I'm seeing there? Come on. Yeah, the retracement around 50% level, right? From my of course, if I am to take this whole move down here, right, the retracement is what around 38% level. Of course, you guys know, if you've been following me for some time now, you know my target is really around 1.68%, right? And of course, my maximum target is 2.68%. And at the moment, the price hits my maximum target, right? You can see here, my maximum target has been hit, right? Here, right? Of course, the price reacted massively, even below my normal target. So, should I buy this? Can't, friends. I have to wait for retracement. That is technical perspective. Of course, investors can go ahead and invest. They really don't care about the price movement like this, but a smart investor, most times they care, right? They want to buy at the lower price, so they might wait for the price to come as low as $8, or let me drop to a lower time frame. Okay. What would $8 be? Sorry, friends, if I clear this, we're not going to have history to review. What do I need to do now? Okay, let me not clear this. See what I will have to do now. I have to push. Let me take up Fibonacci, right? Because what I want to do here is I want to take a retracement of this move up, right? This move up only, right? And of course, 168% level to around 70% retracement level, right? This level is a good buy. That's around 13 or thereabouts. So if the price really wants me to buy, right, Kadena, if you want me to buy you, right, please do this for me. That's what I want. That's the only reason I can buy you, right? Let me drop to a lower time frame so we have more details to work with here, right? Kadena, if you want me to buy you, do this for me. Right, friends, comment section, let me know the chart you want us to look at, right? The last comment I got was to look at Livepeer LPT. I just take a look at LPT, right? Told you guys that I won't be buying LPT because it already moved up too fast. All right. So if Kadena, you want me to invest in you, you want me to buy you, right? Please do this for me as soon as you can, right? Break this significantly, come retest, I'll buy you. Okay, I'll buy you. Trust me, I will. I don't see you doing that, right? Let's see what I see you doing. I see you coming down here, right? Because give me a W here, I'll consider buying you. All right, so do that for me if you want me to yeah, do that for me. We gladly invest in you. All right, from this region to this region is my watch. Of course, I'll have to look at how the price interact around that region to make a decision. So that's that. Let me leave the history. We'll review this next session to see what's up, right? really the upward movement is really not complete, right? My target is reached. That's what I meant to say the other time. My target is reached at this moment. Of course, on this move, it didn't retrace significantly, right? Around 50% level, right? I expect the retracement to be deeper than that, right? Let it go as much as 70 or this region, right? 60 to 70 or thereabout. I'll join it to around 58, 60, right? There's still upward movement to KDA, but the movement it's a sell-off, Rory. Oh, hold on, guys. These guys who sold up here, they've rotated most of the profit on another sector, another coin, right? Sector rotation. If you stock another sector, that's another industry class of stock to say. But in this case, another coin, right? You can also say another sector. Might be DeFi, might be play to earn, might be NFT, it might be what's it called? DeFi, right? Yeah, I mentioned DeFi already, etc. So a sector rotation of profit. You might have taken the profit to another session to work with. All right, friends, comment section below. Let's know your thought. Let's know your thought. All right, AR, what do we have here? AR, my guy. What's AR doing here? What's this? What's this? What's it doing? Head and shoulder. Left shoulder, right shoulder, head. Is that what this guy is doing here, friends? Please help me ask this guy what he's doing, because I don't seem to understand. What's LR doing, friends? Comment section. Let's know. Okay. For head and shoulder traders. Head and shoulder traders. A break, measured move, right? That's how those guys do. That's how they do it, right? A measured move, right? From the head to the neckline, right? They project the movement. So if I am to work with head and shoulder, we should be looking to buy around this region, right? That's 56 or thereabout, right? All right, this might likely happen. Because if this truly is head and shoulder, right? The break already happened, so we should see a reasonable move, right? And that should give us a nice okay. Let's work with this. That should give us this. After this, you should see institutional buying, significant volume here. So more or less like we need to look out for here, right? It's not going to happen on this candle, friends. It's going to happen on a couple of candles, right? I'm just don't know why I did the measured move there. Okay, let me see if I can push it. Okay, might happen somewhere around here. So what you look out for, friends, a significant volume, right? Significant volume. And the volume might be a sell-off volume, right? After the significant volume, look at the couple of candles after that, right? Couple of candles go up, keep going up, go down slightly, and of course keep going up. Probably give us a W, double bottom, triple bottom, inverted and shoulder, right? So give us that here. We'll take a buy for a possible break. Of course, if you break, you can add to your portfolio for a reasonable target, right? Very reasonable target. But if That's a mini view. If I'm to take this the whole view, right? If I'm to take the whole view, this is really developing. It's not what it's not what it's developing, right? This move is really early, friends. So really early. That might not likely. The head and shoulder might not play because this is early, right? If watch this very closely, friends. The head and shoulder might not play. Sorry, I didn't pull out the whole of the information. Sorry about that, right? Sorry about that. The target is not meant, has not been meant yet, right? Target is not reached, so to say, right? My target, oh my friends, my target is not reached, right? Oh, this is what I mean, right? I take a retracement of this level around 61.8, right? I'm expecting the price to be around 190, right? So if not 190, there's no negotiation, my friends. So this up move is really much, and you can see the presence of institutional buyers. They bought. Now, how did I know that they bought? Let me get the English clear for you. How was I able to identify that they bought? This is the volume, right? Significant, right? Let me push to a bar chart, right? Now, on this volume, friends, of course, there's a sell-off, right? The close of this bar, the bar didn't close on its high, or it closed average, right, in the middle, right? After this significant markup, the bar went up, closed. That's not really a healthy sign, right? It's not, right? But the bar that followed, what did the bar do? Because the bar that followed, it went up, right? Because there was a sell-off, yeah? After the sell-off, is there a follow-up? What do I mean, MrWhatever, is there a follow-up? I don't know how to explain this to you, friends. This is not a tutorial, but after this bar, follow-up to the next bar should be a down bar, right? Going down. But the next bar went up, fortunately. And of course, the following bar went down. There's still not a follow-up. The next bar went up. And of course, this current bar is going down. After it goes down, you have to look at the next bar. If the next bar goes down as well, because you know the pressure, the selling pressure is so much, right? The selling pressure at this moment is really not that much to push the price so much down. The reason being that for every seller here, there's a buyer, right? There are niggas who think, man, just like me, right? I think the price is going to go up to like 190. So as they are selling, if I have enough money, I will just say, come on, my bag is here, bring all the coin, friends. As they are selling and buying. So that's the game that's going on here, friends. So that's what's going on here, friends. There's no better explanation to this. So just look at, you can go, it's not a financial advice, but you can go in almost immediately and be patient, right? You got to be patient, right? You got to be patient. So there's really, this is going to do well, friends. It's going to do well, my friends. Be confident. It's going to break, push up, right? It's going to do this, friends. Of course, we'll review it on our next voice of the chart. Well, it's going to do that. So be confident about AR. All right, friends. That's just by the way. What do we have here, friends? This Enjin Coin. All right, friends, invite your friends, family, neighbor, comment section. Let me know your thoughts. I want to know what you think. Oh my god. Oh my god. Apologies, Regna. Regna actually meant LRC. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Regna. Regna LRC, not. I thought he meant LRC. Oh, Loopring. I did a review. Is this what you meant, Loopring? Is this the right time? That's a critical question. Is this the right time? Okay. Sorry. I'm really sorry. I thought you meant LPT, right? Oh, Loopring really gone up, right? The last session I told you guys is gonna do this, and if it does this, this is the best entry point. So look at where the price is at this moment. This is why I told you to buy, right? I don't know if you bought. Probably you bought, or probably you did buy? You watched the last session, right? Is that why you're asking? Please clarify. Or you just knew? Is this the first time? If you did see my analysis the last time, friends, and you bought, right? Please keep holding. It's not a financial advice. Keep holding up to around $3.94. If you didn't buy and you're considering buying, I can't say you should, right? Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, right? Because the price is pushing up really fast. Although it has not gotten to my target, but the rate at which it's pushing is just too fast, right? Really good investors, they wait for retracement. That's the best time you should buy. That's the dip they talk about. Whenever you hear buy the dip, that's the retracement they mean, right? The dip is retracement. So guys, wait for it to reverse. I'm sorry, you missed the move here, right? When I said you should watch out for this, you missed it, right? Okay, so guys, please look for something else, right? KDA might be good for you, but not at this moment. AR is good at the moment, right? So let's see if Enjin Coin is the Enjin Coin. I will appreciate more of your comments. I'm sorry I got it wrong earlier. So guys, invite your friends, family, neighbor, let them join. Let's discuss chart. I'll be doing it for every day, right, as time goes on. But at this moment I'm doing it on Tuesday and Thursday, right? The specific time is not what I've been able to figure out, because I want to see my viewers. I want to know when they are active. So I'm looking at 6 a.m. Standard Eastern Time. That would be around 2 p.m. my time, right? So at my time, those who are at work should be at lunch, so they'll be able to join. And of course, those in the Western world, the US, they should be very early in the morning. And of course, those in Europe, it should be around lunchtime. So I'm trying to like have a better time for this, right? So it might happen 2 p.m. GMT, right? That is around 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. Standard Eastern Time. I hope I'm right. Please, if I'm not, comment section. I'm seeing your comment live, so I'll be able to work this out, my friends. All right, we still have time. Let me conclude before I talk too much. So the niggas who were here, they have come back here for Enjin Coin. They came back, my friends. Are we supposed to be scared of those guys? The question is, what is the chart going to do? Remember, this is voice of the charts. So friends, what is the chart going to do? That's what we'll be looking at, right? Because yeah, look at this. If I'm to look at this, I will say, okay, it's preparing now. This is a completed circle. Come on. This is a completed circle. Another mini completed circle. Another circle. Can you do this for me? Or oh, sorry friends, Enjin Coin short term is not a goal for me. I'm sorry. Enjin Coin is not a short term for me, friends. You can clearly see the trend line broke, right? Trend line going up broke, right? Of course, if I am to change this to find another reason for you guys to not do this, there are plenty of reasons I can see here. Now, follow me, friends. This is not a tutorial, but let me help you guys. You see this significant sell-off that took place here? Let me show you. See this volume, friends? It's one of the largest volumes so far, right? Up to this point, right? And of course, it's on a down bar. Sorry, this volume was on what was on the up bar, right? Up bar, close in the middle, not healthy. Now, this in comparison with the previous one I just told you. I don't know if you can recall, but this in comparison with the previous one I showed you that after the up bar is significant volume, the next bar slightly went up, right? Before the sell-off, right? And of course, the sell-off did not follow up, right? Of course, see friends, a lot of selling took place here, right? This bar, significant volume is an up bar. If this whole volume were for a buy, why did the price come down in the next bar? That's the question I want you to ask yourself, my friends. Ask yourself this simple question, right? Know this stuff. If you know this stuff is going to help you a lot, my friends. If this whole buying with this significant volume, if it is all buying, why is the next bar down? Of course, you can clearly see the next bar is a down bar. And of course, the next bar is not just a down bar, it's a dangerous down bar. And why is the next bar a dangerous down bar? It's a dangerous down bar because there is a follow-up, my friends. Very dangerous. There's a follow-up. And the follow-up is LD. Why is the follow-up LD, MrWhatever? Because the follow-up closed on its low. How did I know it closed on its low? Of course, you can see. It's clear enough, right? Of course, the next bar came close on its low. Of course, the bar following did not close on its low. It closed slightly around the middle. That's why the next bar was up, right? This is not a tutorial, really, but I just want you guys to be confident that a lot of selling took place that I really don't think it should have. Okay, now, again, right? I'm trying to let you know a lot of selling took place here. Please follow me, friends. I know time is precious, but if you know this, a lot of things is going to follow for you, my friends. So this is another significant up bar, right? On a high volume. And the next buy is down. Why is the next buy down? Why did it not just push up, friends? Of course, fly to the moon. It did not. The niggas who bought large quantities, they could not sell off everything. Of course, if they have sold off everything, look at what would have happened. Right? They didn't do that, right? Of course. Now, what they did is push the price slightly up, Don't give the weak holders, the retail investors, the guys who want to make money just almost immediately. So give them hope. Come on, guys, this is going up. Come on, guys. Of course, the guys, they already see a blue candle, green candle, whatever. They jump in, right? And they mess them up again. They mess them up really, really bad. They mess them up here, right? That's not enough. They mess them up again. Give them hope. That's not enough. They are messing them up. They mess them up here again, my friends. And of course, you can clearly see from other indicators that you have a divergence here. Can you not see this, my friends? Come on, don't do that. Can you not see this, my friends? Is this not clear enough? Right? Of course, the price is going up and the momentum is dropping. MrWhatever, why is the momentum dropping? I should be asking you, why is the momentum dropping? Ask yourself that question. The price is going up, the momentum is dropping. The momentum is dropping. And the price is going up. That's the divergence you're talking about. Don't confuse yourself with the price is going up. The MACD is telling you that the pressure to the upside is dropping, my friends. The pressure to the upside is dropping, my friends. That's what the MACD is telling you. That means these guys are selling. So if you had bought, you sell along, right? And of course, after that, this upward move trend line broke. Well, tell me why I should buy again. The only reason why I can buy again is to see, okay, there's a significant volume coming in and it is early enough. After the volume, the next buy is down, the next buy is up, and of course there's a break of this down mini downtrend. Of course, I can think of, okay, let me relook this stuff and see if I can join in. This is not a tutorial. I don't know why. I'm passionate about I'm really passionate about sharing information with people. I think that is why I spend so much time to clarify things with you. So at the moment, Enjin Coin is not a go for me. All right, Enjin Coin, if you want me to join you, do this. I know you are gonna do it. I know the investors, they are smart people. This is their best interest. Friends, we'll review this again on our next voice of the chart. This is their best interest, right? They've taken a lot of money here. They know this guy is really pressured. So what they want to do now is bring it down, gather momentum, push up, crush this guy, and of course we can see a significant up movement. Let me project for you. Significant up movement around $7 there about. Okay, and of course you have to consider the overall market cap, and of course the number of engine in circulation. What's the number of engine in circulation? So friends, that's another mistake a lot of us new I call us new investors or whatever we are, friends. Now this is the maximum supply. This is current circulating supply, total supply, man supply, current circulating supply. Of course, the market cap, right? If you multiply the price, current price, by the circulating supply, you arrive at the market cap, right? And of course, if you want to find out the price, that estimation, not exactly, right? You have to divide the market cap by the current market, whatever. If you want to project it, you have to divide the market cap by the circulating supply to give you a projection. So if you want the price to get to $10, assume the market, overall market, is booming and their market cap went as much as 12 as much as 12 billion, right? That's when you get your $10. So that my $7, what's it called? Assuming that their market cap should be around $7 billion. Of course, it's not a difficult one for a project like this to get in a short time. So soon, but not now, soon, right? Let them give me a more clarification on why I should buy. Of course, I will buy somewhere around $2.2, right? For a target of $7, right? So we have just 5 minutes left. All right, friends, thanks for your time. I appreciate. I wanted to take a look at FMT. FMT really don't have much. It's pretty new. Price discovery went off. A lot of niggas took profit. At this level. Trend line broke. Please, there's no much information to make a projection here. So friends, there's really no much to talk about there. And it's not a buy for me. I don't know if it's for you. Of course, if long-term investment, you can't buy, right? But this upward trend breaking is a no for me, sir. Right? It's a no for me, sir. Of course, I just saw something now. Okay. It's a no for me, sir. Of course, you can break back in. Break this move down. Come on, I have limited time left. Break this move down. Give me a W that I always look out for. W should be a double bottom, right? Give me a W, or give me head and shoulder, right? A break of the neckline, right? Of course, you can also be generous enough. Give me a, if you give me a triple button. That's off, my friend. I think no more. I take it as soon as this move breaks. I take it immediately. So don't dare me. Don't try it and give me a triple button or a triple top. Don't joke with me, especially giving me a triple button and a divergence is a go for me. All right, friends, that's just by the way. Thanks for your time. We appreciate a lot, guys. This is supposed to be an interaction. It's supposed to be an interactive session, so I'm supposed to be taking questions, all right, from you guys. So friends, invite your friends, family, and neighbor, whatever, to join. If you have not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Of course, the like button is just close and near you, right? Well, all right, friends, hope to see you on Thursday, right? We'll figure out the perfect time for this, so I will have it display on all the top names, and of course the what's it called, is it the China art? I will have it display so we'll know the exact time will be coming online, and I hope to keep to it always. So friends, please be mindful of how you trade, and of course, friends, just comment. If I see a comment and a chat, right, I can do a short video and send to you directly. Of course, I can also upload the video and let you see it. So you can always interact. You can send an email, right? Of course, DM us on Twitter. Yeah, you can. All right, enough of that. I know you guys are tired. I'm also tired as well. So see you